You're on Clubhouse and you want to be able to share your Clubhouse profile on social media apps or even on your website. I'm Phil, a brand strategist, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. On this channel, I share practical advice to build your brand. Consider subscribing for more of my videos just like this one and hit that bell to be notified when I post next. Now, let's talk all about finding that URL to share your Clubhouse profile with the world. Okay, so maybe you've noticed by now that Clubhouse doesn't really have a way to share your profile. If you go over to your profile and you click this share button, it allows you to paste it over to another app, for example. The easiest way for you to do this is to know what the share URL is for all Clubhouse users. That URL is Clubhouse's domain, so join clubhouse.com/and and then your username. So it'll look something like this. I hope this little tutorial helps you share your profile, and let's make sure we connect on Clubhouse since we're talking about it. I am at Phil Pallen, and if you've got any other lingering questions about Clubhouse, go ahead and ask them in the comments below and share your handle too so that we can find you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing for more of my videos here on YouTube about branding, positioning, building, and promoting your personal brand. Next, I'm sharing through a few videos that I think you'll be interested in, including a deeper explanation of the app Clubhouse with my very talented friend Giselle, as well as a tutorial to add a ring around your Clubhouse profile if you want it to stand out on the app. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos, they're coming up next.